Hello, Richard.
Hello, Roger. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
Yes.
Richard, the school here is built on your land, so you were the one with the vision to build the school.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about why the Maasai need education. So for thousands of years they have not needed an education, so why is it now different?
First of all, the Maasai used to move from one place to another one because these people are they are pastoralists. They keep cattle and sheep, and nowadays there is nowhere to move around because the land now is becoming very small. So now we don't have anywhere to take our animals, and now we come back to for education because education is very, very important. Education is everything. So that is why we are looking after our education now.
Okay, thank you, Richard. And why build a school here? I think there are two other schools about 2 kilometers away.
Yes.
So why do we need a school here on your land?
We want a high quality school. Actually, we want a better, good school, and because our schools here are not really good schools, so we want a good school with good teachers and a school which have all facilities.
Okay, so this is not going to be like any other rural school in Kenya. It's going to have good teachers and good facilities, is that right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The school, actually we have now good teachers, and we have all facilities, good facilities in school.
Okay, thank you. When finished, what will the school be like? Is it finished now, or is there still more to add to this?
The school is not yet finished because this is only preschool. We still need more classes because it's only the school went up to class 6, I think. So we still need more classes.
Okay, I think that will confuse the people in England because, of course, here in Kenya you have 8 years plus 3 years in primary school. So in fact many people in Kenya leave school at age 16, 17?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So the school is only half built at the moment?
Yeah, it's half of the school. This is half of the school.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do we have here at the moment, Richard?
We have preschool, which is 3 classes at the moment. We have dining and kitchen, and we have also staff teachers' houses.
Okay. Again, the people in the West will be confused about the staff houses. Why do you need staff houses as part of the school?
We need, if we want good teachers, we must have to accommodate them around the school, because otherwise they come from far. So we need them to be closer to the school. Okay. And also we don't have, the means of transportation is very bad, so we need them to be around the school.
Okay, you said you want this school to have good facilities.
Yes.
Why do you want the children here to have an excellent education? What benefit does that have to the community?
We want to have educated children because as Maasai we don't really have people like doctors and lawyers, and we need all this kind of material. We want lawyers, we want teachers, and maybe even we want a president to be a Maasai next some future.
Okay, so you're saying that without a good primary education, they can't get to secondary education and then get to university and be skilled. Okay, so perhaps the school's been built with the help of all the donors who's helped us with the first half. Maybe you would like to just say thank you perhaps for the donors?
In fact, as a leader of Osiligi Maasai Dance Troupe, I would like to say thank you very much for the donors from England who actually did a very wonderful job like this. So we want, on behalf of the Maasai community, I would like to say thank you very much.
And I guess maybe you actually want to say any chance of the second half of the school?
Yes, in fact, the school is not yet completed, so we still need people to build the phase 1 and 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.